Inspired by her role on the television show Law and Order, today Mariska Hargitay wants to help thousands of rape victims in Detroit.
She joined in the push to help clear a backlog of thousands of untested rape kits. 7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig has more on how Hargitay is fighting for rape victims.
I was in shock. I was outraged, and I just assumed, that kits were tested.
Actress and victim rights advocate Mariska Hargitay joined prosecutor Kim Worthy in their outrage that it took so long to get people like Deshaun Starks off the streets. Starks raped 4 women in 2003, and the rape kits the women submitted just sat in the now closed Detroit crime lab for years without ever being forwarded for processing. In fact, a little over 4 years ago, over 11,000 rape kits dating back to the 1980s were found just sitting.
It was mind-blowing to me. My head exploded. My head exploded. Because we have the means to do it. DNA equals justice.
And these rapists and their victims whose lives were sitting on the shelf in the abandoned warehouse have gone on to rape in 23 other states in this country.
With Michigan State Police now processing Detroit's rape kits, about 1,600 have been completed and 100 serial rapists identified. Prosecutor Kim Worthy says the county is not paying for the processing of these old rape kits, but rather federal money and money raised with the help of Mariska Hargitay, who started the Joyful Heart Foundation, an organization committed to helping put an end to rape kit backlogs across the country.
We're essentially saying to rapists, hey, come rape. You know why? You won't be prosecuted. No one even cares. It's horrifying.
And we're told in about a month, legislation will be introduced to state lawmakers aimed at setting guidelines and deadlines for how rape kits should be processed and hopefully identify a rapist and put them behind bars in a timely manner for the sake of the victims and preventing others from becoming one.
These rape kits in Michigan are over 25 years old, some of them. And we want to make sure that we deal with the victims mercifully and honestly and genuinely.
In Detroit, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.
It's good to see that she really is that person.
Yeah,
she
you're
really
right.
is a good person and starting that foundation, and it's just, wow.
Fighting for people,
Glad to
fighting
have
for
her here.
victims, right? Absolutely.